Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa and welcome to my channel Learn to Teach. Today in this video we will be making a nice poster for explaining you what is internet. Yes, a poster that explains, that gives us the understanding of what is an internet. So let's begin. The software we are using here is Paint 3D. So let's start a new project. Then what I want to change the size of my canvas. To do this, first you have to go here. Can you see the canvas at the top? Yes, this one. Click on this and then I hope you can see the small squares on the sides of the canvas. So the squares that are in the center like this, they can make the size like the length and the width they can do smaller, but the squares in the corners can make the whole canvas small or bigger. It depends upon the side, if you are dragging it inside or outside. So let's make it a little square sized like this. Not a perfect square, but at least it must be like a square. So this is a perfect size for my poster that I want. Once I'm done with my canvas size, then you can just start with your 3D library. Remember that what is internet? Internet is the largest network that connects the devices, the computers, the laptops, the smartphones all around the world. So what we will be doing, we will finding out a globe that can represent Earth, our planet, because we know that the internet is all around the Earth. I'm going to select a globe over here and then I'll make the size small by using the corners. Drag it inside, it will become small. Paste it in the center of the canvas. When you go in the center of any object, you can easily drag it anywhere you can place it anywhere in the canvas. So here we go, I'll place it in the center. After that, I'm going to make some lines coming out of this globe. So you have to go to 2D shapes. Let's open that. Use the line and then make some lines. Once you are done, you just tick this button. Then you have to select another line. It's up to you how many lines you want. But each of these lines are basically going to connect this globe to a device. So we are actually making lot of devices around this globe that can represent internet. It shows that how these devices are all connected to each other. And this is what is the meaning of internet, where you connect lot of devices all together. It's all around the world. So this is how you can make the lines, and it's up to you how many lines you want to make. For me, I am making 8 lines I'm making. But remember that this is just to represent what is the internet. In real life, an internet has unlimited devices and unlimited smartphones, laptops, tablets connected. It's the largest network that connects people all around the world. So we just making the devices all around this globe that we have pasted here. For this, again, you need to go to 3D library, search for some laptops, write down laptop in the search bar, press enter. Here you can find out different variety of laptops. Make it small, paste it next to each line, and then give it a little 3D view. You can use these rounds. One of these rounds are used in order to change the position of the laptop, so you can give it a very nice 3D view as you want. So look at this. It is moving all around. So it's up to you how you want these laptops. Okay, done. Let's go back to another laptop. Why I'm choosing different devices? Because this is how internet actually connects the devices. It means you can connect your phone, you can connect your tablet, you can connect any digital device with the internet, and this is how it works. Now let's search for phone, and let me try to find a smartphone. Look over here, that's a mobile phone. I can make it small, I can put it on one line and then give it a 3D view by using these options. Let's go to Canvas, sorry, 3D library again, and search for some tablet. And there is a work tablet. I can find this one. I'll put it somewhere. And then I can give it a 3D view according to me as I want. So this is how you can give. Oh, that's so beautiful. So yes, this is according to this is how I need this. So it's up to you how you want your devices to look like in a globe. Now let's go back. We can find some desktop computers because we remember that there are a lot of digital devices that can easily be connected to internet, and even the resources, the printers are also connected to the networks because they are being shared around different devices. So we can just give it a little 3D view, and that's so beautiful. You can see that. Now let's add some more devices, more laptops, and here we go. We can find variety of laptops. So better to add different styles, different colors. So your poster is going to look beautiful. So this is how we can make a nice, easy, and creative poster to express the largest network in the world. So yes, this is how it works, and this is how Paint 3D works. So just keep one more last computer or a laptop I need, and that's it. So this is a very easy tutorial, and it is going to help you to use Paint 3D as well. Finally, what you have to do, you just need to write down what you have made. Go to the text option, and then on your right hand side, select this T and then write down. If you see, I'm writing it over here. So first you need to change its size. Go here on your right side. There is another option next to this T. Down this T. Open this window. This is 48. Let's make it 26 so that you can easily write it inside your canvas. Now I will write it with all capital letters. Internet, that's the largest network. Thank you so much. This is all about making a poster on Paint 3D using 3D library and using 2D shapes, and it is explaining you what is internet. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay connected, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.